Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to the briefing on Saturday the 2nd of April. What we got on the chart today is, we've had a northerly flow for a couple of days now, and it's beginning to slacken off, but we're still, you can see over the continent, the isobars reasonably closely spaced together. So we're still dragging in this northeasterly air, and the initial forecast today was just for a little kink in the isobars here to sort of swap the wind around first thing in the morning, and then it will go back to northeasterly. But in here, not strong, although the pressure is about 1020 in here, and it's still fairly unstable. So I think we're going to see some showers today, and the active trough line here is all giving rain out to the west of us, which you'll see in a minute. So the TAFs suggesting Farnborough. It's quite a long TAF, not a lot really. This is the bit about initially 260 degrees, 5 knots. Well, it was that for a little bit at Odium, but it's all northeasterly now. A few at 3,000 feet. Maybe a little bit higher than that, I suspect. So generally going 030, 10 knots, and then the tempo, it's a bit of haze, but tempo showers and rain later on today. I think it's going to be isolated showers and rain by the looks of it in the afternoon. Upper winds are northeasterly across most of the country, 060 probably, down through here, perhaps 050 over us, so it's curving round a little bit. Just about okay for the ridges, I would have thought, but not that strong. So if you're going down there, thermal assisted maybe. Sat pic shows lots of cloud out over in Wales, and I've been at Denby for the week, and every day Chris Gill has said, oh, we're in the best area today. Well, unfortunately you're not today, Chris, because it's cloudy over Wales, all of Wales and the West Country, and it's also raining. This is a few showers just drifting into Cambridgeshire, and Top Meteo have been showing those, predicting those for at least the last 24 hours. And you can see them on the rainfall radar. It's coming down across Wales, and just a few coming down off the North Sea. I don't think they're dying out as they get over land, but I think it will pep itself up later in the day. So temperature wise, I think 9's about right, actually. 9, 10, about right for our area. Certainly a bit cooler up towards the northeast, and dew points there about some places 0, other places about -2, so quite a good temperature spread. And when you then look at the soundings, let's go for 12 o'clock, you can see that you sort of pump those numbers in, and with dew points down here somewhere, you're looking at cloud base 4,500 feet, but cloud tops quite high. If they're going to 11, 12,000 feet, then it's -20 up there. So there's certainly chances of showers developing from midday onwards. And when the lines come together like this, yeah, there's definite indication of shower activity. Still be perfectly saurable in other places, and cloud base will be fairly high. But, yeah, definite risk of showers, and Top Meteo are suggesting the same. So getting going, get going fairly quickly actually. This morning, probably 10:30, 11 o'clock, it'll be going to 3,000 feet. Then they're suggesting down over us and down towards the sort of southeast, 1,500 meters, not quite so high and good in Cambridgeshire, but up the spine of the country towards Oxford and then Birmingham, yeah, fairly reasonable. And I think we're going to see some streeting today. And then as the afternoon goes on, they're just showing showers in various places, and they're showing lines of showers on. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see lines of showers coming along. Hit and miss. Yeah, we might be unlucky and get a shower. We might miss it completely. Cloud amounts 4 to 6/8, I think, is reasonable today once the soaring gets going. So from 11 o'clock. That's 11 o'clock UTC, 10 o'clock. So getting going, and a reasonable amount of cloud and quite big vertical development, I think, and then by early to mid-afternoon, still soarable, but showers in places. And I don't think the showers are going to overrun the weather conditions, but certainly there'll be a lot of shower dodging. So suggested distance, look at the standard class distance, go down to the southeast, and fine up to the north. I'm not sure why, when you get lots of shower activity as they're forecasting in East Anglia, why Top Meteo suddenly shows it being much better there. Must be just a glitch with their algorithms, but I think that's not the place to go today somehow. Okay, so reasonable forecast, northeasterly winds, not particularly fresh, but 10 knots on the ground, not gusting, and soarable most of the day with showers later on. So airspace wise, a couple of minor things of note. Number 10, middle walloper active all day, gliding operation. And number 11 is parachuting over Bulford Camp, which is actually inside the danger area, up to 10,000 feet. I can't, off the top of my head, remember the timing on that one. 14:45, 15:15 local time. And 17, 15, and 16, nothing to worry about, paragliding and equestrian event. Number 18 is military parachuting from 4 o'clock at Western on the Green. I assume they'll still be gliding there. They tend to mix the two with parachuting and gliding. But it's just something of note. And apart from that, nothing down to the southeast, nothing really beyond there and up towards Husbos. So good day, folks. In terms of airfield operation, MERS running the airfield today. A big 09 setup for the operation, and there's no jet movements or twin engine traffic, so should be a fairly straightforward day. And I will see you there at some point today, if not for the AGM later this afternoon.